Hello, today we're going to walk through using Photoshop's generative layer to create video backgrounds. So here is the original video and here's how it's going to look once we're finished. So step one, we've brought our original video into Photoshop. Then we're going to make it the size we'd like. And as we can see, there's no background behind it currently. We're going to select the empty background. Hold Shift so you can get the top and the bottom. And then select Generative Fill and Generate. All right, we can now see our new layer up top. And we want to make sure that the layer goes over the entirety of our original video. And then we do a little test play and see how it's looking. Photoshop's going to give you 3 background options. As you can see, they're all pretty similar, but slightly different if you have a preference. Just something to keep in mind, this process works best with stationary backgrounds. For the best results, we would recommend using a video with a fixed camera where the subject is not moving off the sides or out of frame. So let's take a look of a video example that would not work with this tool. In this video, we have a woman runner and both her top of her head and her legs are cut off of screen and her background is moving. So we're going to do all the same steps as before. So it's created our layer, we're going to drag it on top, and at first it looks really good. Until you start playing the video and you see it's just stationary and she's moving along without it. For the best results, you'll want a video with a moving subject but a still background. Consider a person sitting and talking to the camera or a product being used while remaining still, like a microwave sitting on a table with a spinning tray, for example. Best of luck to you!